All right, guys, I just ate, but we got several things happening now. Our average true range, we've already made it and then some. We got Pac-Man forming. We got divergence. I took 8 contracts. I have 6 or 7 more up above us. But now the odds are in our favor.
Order filled.
There goes 1.
Order filled.
There goes 2. Okay, patience. That's the name of the game, right? Patience. Notice I have most of them coming off right in this area, okay? And then I have 3 runners. All right, I'm not looking to come all the way to the VWAP, right? That's not how I trade personally, okay? I like to lock in my profits quickly. All right? I'll let some run, but to have this just quickly sell off at this time of the day, the odds are really not there. So letting these 3 run as far as I am, is risky in and of itself. All right? But right now, the odds are in our favor. Right? We got Pac-Man developing. We have divergence for the first time this morning. All right? So the odds are in our favor. The average true range has been filled. We got the gap below us. All right? The market's going to start cooling off now. It's 11 o'clock. Remember, it's a game of probabilities and odds. All right, guys? We are looking for the probabilities and the odds. When the opportunity presents itself, that's when we strike. All right? Sometimes you're going to miss the opportunity. Sometimes you're going to get it. Okay? But if we look at a 30-minute chart, okay, a 30-minute chart, look at these candles. All right? Massive, massive candles. The odds of seeing a 5th candle or a 6th candle are highly unlikely, highly unlikely. If anything, right? If anything, after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 massive green candles, the most you'd be lucky to get is that sideways movement, sideways and up, right? That's what the odds now would consist of after a massive run up like that on a higher time frame, okay? The odds are just not in the market's favor to continue that momentum. Okay? So I kind of went in big on this position, but there's a reason for that, right? There's times to go small and times to go big. Okay? When the odds are in your favor, right, you can go in. Okay? Leave your runners up here. Leave yourself some room. All right, we're in a major area. Okay, we're in a major area of resistance. Right, we broke through all these levels below us like nothing. Right, just boom, boom. I'm sure there's another one in here too that I haven't seen. Right, but right now the odds say, hey, get in this. Okay, get in this trade. It's calling your name. Okay, the odds are calling your name. Pac-Man wants to eat some dots, right? So that's where
Order
we're
filled.
at. It's now 11 o'clock. Okay, we're still getting filled here to show.
Order filled.
I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Right? Most traders would be freaking out, right? We do have that serious, serious moves off of the 20, right? We're not even coming back to the 20, right?
Order filled.
Coming back to it, okay? But the odds in this location of real estate are in our favor, okay? I'm actually going to go and do 5 more contracts if we can get pulled back to that area. We're going to add 5 right there if we get filled. Let's see if we get filled. Now that would have been a nice fill if we got it. But again, the odds are not in the market's favor right now. Okay? Don't let them try and shake you out of a high probability trade, right? Don't let them try and fake you out and close out for a loss, right? You know. 30-minute chart. You know the odds are not in their favor. Don't let them scare you. Beautiful. Double top starting to form now, right? Okay, when you know, don't let them scare you guys, all right? You know the odds are in your favor. Stick with your plan, okay? Stick with the plan. You got to love how they do this, right? You know there's manipulation in the market, right? You know there is, so use what you have at your disposal, right? The odds, the probabilities, the locations, okay? Use it to your advantage. Don't let them fake you out when the odds are in your favor.
Order filled.
Okay? I can't stress it enough, guys. I can't stress it enough. Don't let them fake you out when the odds are in your favor. Okay? We're getting a little congestion, sure. Right? But the odds are in our favor. Now that the 20-period moving average has moved up, I'm going to go ahead and move up my take profits. Okay? You always want to keep your profits ahead of that 20. All right? We're already up to $9,000 on the day. All right? We don't need to capture that whole move and risk it not coming down to the 20, right? Okay? Play the game smart.
Order filled.
Okay? 7 contracts left. Now we're going to go ahead and take this off the table. All right? We no longer need that, right? Okay, they came out for that pop liquidity grab. All right? If we get down close to the 50% mark, then before I get filled on these, then we'll go ahead and manually close it out. Okay, but until that happens, I'm staying put where I'm at. Right? The odds are totally in our favor, guys. Okay, the location. You know, this is like getting a beachfront condo on Miami Beach. All right? Everything is prime right now. Okay? So don't fall for the games that will be played when you know how the game is played. All right? So just a quick, another little video, right? They'll usually like to keep coming out and taking out anybody who's short, right? That's what this was all about, a liquidity grab. Whoever was short here, they want to take them out before they make the move, right? Remember, the market's not here to intentionally make you money, right? It's here to take your money, okay? Learn how the game is played and stay in the game for life. Okay, you cannot think like the retail traders think. You have to think like smart money. You have to think like big money. You have to think like market makers, right? Okay, guys, so here's just another quick video. All right, we were patient. We waited, right? We didn't trade any of this. We didn't go long. Why? Because I'm not looking to go long until next week. All right, we can take some long positions here and there, sure. But, you know, when there's no reason for this to happen, when there's no reason for big moves to happen like that, you're better off sticking to your high probability setups. We're doing that anyway. But what I'm saying is the odds are really not in your favor to be going long, okay? Not until next week, all right? We are at the end of the month. This is the last... No, Monday's the last
order filled,
month, right? So how do we still have 6 more left? I don't know how I planned that, but let's go ahead. I wanted most of my risk off up there. So there's 1, 2. Let's do 3. Wait, that's 5.
order filled.
Uh-oh. Okay, I don't know. I had this set at 5. I forgot. We got 1 left.
Order
There we go.
filled.
Now let me cancel that out. So now we made $10,475 on the day, guys. And why? Because we were patient. We waited for the high probability setup. God bless y'all. Have an excellent weekend. Please digest what I'm telling you. Okay? Digest it all. Everything you know about trading, leave it at the door and start absorbing what I'm teaching. Love you guys. Love y'all. Have a great weekend. I will see you bright and early Monday morning.